Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you skin whitening, remove wrinkles and fine lines, and get fair, milky, spotless skin, glowing skin like Asian secrets. It's super effective in whitening skin tone naturally and get you up to 3 shades lighter skin tone, and it removes the wrinkles and the fine lines will vanish literally. And my friends, the result will amaze you from first use. You will notice a great result. All you need to do is apply it at night and leave it in the next morning. You will be amazed with the result. Milky fair skin and all the wrinkles will be vanished. So the first ingredient we need to prepare this amazing remedy is around 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, just the regular starch or flour, corn flour. Then we need 1 big lemon, cut the lemon and squeeze it like so. Cornstarch is an Asian secret in whitening skin tone naturally and bleach the skin. It leaves the skin wrinkles free and white, removes plasma and pigmentation. Now my friends, after we squeezed the lemon, mix the ingredients very well and place it underneath double boiler method, or place it in a microwave oven and keep stirring until it will become thick. And I will going to do it and then show you the result. Now my friends, as you can tell, it turned to a cream paste, and this is what we needed. This is how we actually need a cream paste, like so, a thick consistency. Now we need to add on it 2 capsules of vitamin E, and vitamin E is super effective in removing wrinkles and fine lines and whitening skin tone naturally. So here I'm using 1000 milligram vitamin E. You can use 400 milligrams vitamin E. Any vitamin E available for you, you can use. And we need 2 capsules or 3 capsules. Cut the capsule with a scissor and squeeze it to get all the vitamin E. Now we need to mix all the ingredients very well together. Store it in a small container to use it every night before you sleep. And now my friends, the remedy is ready. All you need to do is take a little piece of it like so and apply it on your skin. Massage the skin with it. It's going to absorb all the ingredients and you will notice the result from first use once you apply it. And leave it overnight, my friends. Don't wash it or rinse it, and in the next morning you will be amazed with the result. It is super effective and super helpful. Store it and use it every night before you sleep and you will be amazed with the result. All the wrinkles will vanish and you will get rid of any kind of fine lines, pigmentation. If you do have dark circles, this will help you, and all your literally skin will be amazing and you will notice a great results from first use. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.